welcome back to my channel. And if you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. I often hear people ask the question, how can I use my concealer? Where can I use it? When? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 ways that you can use your concealer. 10 solid ways. So if you want to see how, just keep watching. The first way you can use your concealer is on your brows. So after drawing your brows or filling them in, you are going to go in with the concealer just to clean up any mess that you may have created in the process of drawing your brows or filling them in. And this helps you to achieve that clean and neat looking brows, especially when you've not shaped your brows and you still have some hairs growing out. That concealer helps you to cover them up, and in addition they help you to clean up your brows. Number 2, you can use your concealer as an eye primer. So after cleaning your brows and getting them snatched, you want to go in with your eyeshadow, and then before you apply your eyeshadow, you go in with the concealer as a primer. That helps to cover any pigmentation around your eye area and prepares a clean base for you to apply your eyeshadow. And when you are working with eyeshadows that are not so pigmented, when you go in with a concealer and apply to cover the pigmentation, it also serves as a base for you to apply your eyeshadow and to help the pigment of the eyeshadow to show more and to pop more. Number 3 way you can use your concealer is to clean your winged liner. So after applying your eyeshadow and then drawing your winged liner, there are tendencies that you might make mistakes, or there are tendencies that you might not get it sharp and snatched the way you want to. So you go in with a concealer and a brush to clean out the edges, to clean out any areas that you've made a mess, to get your winged liner snatched and looking on fleek. I guess you're on number 4 now. Number 4 way you can use your concealer is to highlight and to contour. So after applying your primer and your foundation, you go in with your concealer and apply it under your eyes, on your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and on your chin, and then you blend it together. And I've said it, when using a concealer to highlight, use a concealer that is a shade or 2 lighter than your skin tone, and then you go with a concealer that is a shade or 2 darker than your skin tone to contour. I have a detailed video on how to highlight and contour, and I'm linking it here for you guys, somewhere up here for you guys to see details. The 5th way you can use your concealer, guys, is to cover dark circles under your eyes. So some of us have dark circles under our eyes, and some of us have puffy looking eyes, especially when we are not getting the 6 to 7 to 8 recommended hours of sleep. There's a tendency for us to have puffy looking eyes and dark circles under our eyes. So when applying your makeup, you go in with a concealer before you apply your foundation to cover those dark circles, and that helps to even out the skin tone and prepare a clean and clear base for your foundation application and the rest of your makeup. So that's number 5 way, right, to use your concealer. Number 6 way you can use your concealer is as a lip primer. I for one have dark lips and uneven pigmentation on my lips, so when applying lipsticks, there is a tendency for the uneven skin color to interfere with the color of the lipstick, especially when doing a nude lips like this. So what you want to do is to go in with the concealer to apply all over your lips to form a base, to cover up the pigmentation and form the base for your lipstick application, and this helps you to achieve a more pigmented and sultry, good looking lips at the end of the day. Number 7, we are making progress, guys. Number 7 is to use your concealer to achieve ombre looking lips. So you first apply your lipstick and then just go in with your concealer and apply in the middle of your lips to achieve that ombre looking lips at the end of the day. The more ombre you want your lips to look, the more concealer you are going to apply. Number 8. Yeah, we are making progress, guys. So number 8 is to use your concealer to clean your lips. So after applying your lipsticks, there's a tendency that you're going to smear it around your lips. So what you do is to go in with a concealer and a brush to clean the areas that you've smeared your lipstick to achieve that neat and clean looking lipstick. Number 9 way to use your concealer is in the inner corners of your eyes. So you simply just apply your concealer in the inner corners of your eyes to open up your eye areas, or you can use that as a primer in the inner corners of your eyes to pop in that inner corner, color that you want to apply to make it look more flattering and to bring out the pigment of the eyeshadow better. Number 10 way you can use your concealer is to color correct. So for those who have acne spots and uneven pigmentation on the face, you want to go in with a concealer to cover up those acne spots and uneven pigmentation to form a clean and even base for your foundation application. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'm sure you learned a thing or two from the 10 ways you can use your concealer. Comment below, let me know other ways to use your concealer. If you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button and the bell beside it. That way you always get notified on new uploads and you will not miss out on anything from here. Now before you go, share this video with your sister. There's a sister who needs to know how else you can use her concealer, so share with her. There's love in sharing, guys. Remember that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.